Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're traveling west on US Highway 60 as we enter the city of Norwood in Wright County, Missouri. Norwood was laid out in 1882. The community's name was inspired by the novel Norwood, or Village Life in New England, by Henry Ward Beecher. A post office called Norwood has been in operation since 1882. The town sits on the southern edge of the Salem Plateau, which is the drainage divide between the White River tributaries to the south and the Missouri River tributaries to the north. Norwood had an estimated population of 647 as of 2019. YouTube Analytics tells us that only about 14% of our viewers are subscribed. Every subscription, comment, and like that we receive prompts the YouTube algorithm to promote our videos. So by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing our videos, you really help us out. And be sure to hit the bell icon to be notified when our new videos come out. We enter the city of Mansfield, platted in 1882 by F.M. Mansfield and named for him. A post office called Mansfield has been in operation since 1882. Mansfield had an estimated population of 1,245 as of 2019. We'll see a brief concurrency with Missouri Highway 5 here. In 1894, Laura Ingalls Wilder, along with her husband and their daughter, moved from South Dakota to Mansfield. They remained in the area for the next 60 years and established Rocky Ridge Farm, a large, successful poultry, dairy, and fruit farm on the outskirts of town. Today, their unique 10-room farmhouse is a National Historic Landmark and the home of the Laura Ingalls Wilder Home and Museum, which attracts thousands of visitors to Mansfield each year. The Wilders also lived for a time in the Rock House, purchased for them by their daughter Rose. Wilder was best known for the Little House on the Prairie series of children's books, published between 1932 and 1943, which were based on her childhood in a settler and pioneer family. We enter Webster County, organized in 1855 and named for U.S. Senator and U.S. Secretary of State Daniel Webster. Webster County is part of the Springfield, Missouri Metropolitan Statistical Area and had an estimated population of 39,592 as of 2019. We enter the city of Seymour, which had an estimated population of 2,010 as of 2019. Seymour was laid out in 1882. The community's name is a transfer from Seymour, Indiana. A post office called Seymour has been in operation since 1881. The Colonel Thomas C. Love House was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1985. Outside of Seymour is a large Old Order Amish community. This community of Swiss Amish was founded in 1968 and consisted of 13 church districts in 2014 and a total Amish population of about 2,250 people. By 2019, the settlement had grown to 16 church districts and approximately 3,270 people, placing it among the 12 largest Amish communities in the world. The Seymour Merchants Association holds an annual Apple Festival the second weekend of every September. The Ozark Mennonite School holds an Apple Butter Day fundraiser event on the third Saturday of every October to support the school. We conclude today's video as we leave the city limits of Seymour. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.